Picture the scene. You're on the beach here at Seaside, Oregon, when all of a sudden the tsunami alert system sirens go off, giving you and your group just half an hour to evacuate the area. What would you do?
Here at Seaside there are two types of tsunami, distal and local.
Local tsunamis originate on the North American plate and hit the coast obliquely and would require a magnitude 7 or greater on the Richter scale.
Distal tsunamis originate from any subduction zone or fault anywhere in the Pacific Ocean.
In this case, we're experiencing a distal tsunami. The tsunami warning system along the west coast of America will sound, giving all the inhabitants half an hour to get to safety, which is the high ground.
The town of Seaside has various evacuation routes, all of which are signposted. In this case we are looking for the route what goes from First Avenue to Broadway.
There are a few issues that will arise along the evacuation route. Firstly, traffic, as most people will be driving. The streets will be full of cars and they'll be going in every direction to get to safety quickly. This puts everyone at risk, including the drivers and the pedestrians.
Secondly are the bridges that we encounter along the route. These are the only way across Nicanacan River. These bridges are at risk from the earthquake that precedes the tsunami, as well as the tsunami wave coming up the river and damaging the bridge. If these were to be destroyed, it would leave many of the population stranded on the headland, which will be directly hit by the tsunami.
The final risk is the collapse of the buildings. There are a few tall buildings in Seaside, including the hotels, that could collapse with damage from either the preceding earthquake or the tsunami itself, which damage the infrastructures and could directly injure or kill people. As you can see, although Seaside has a well thought out evacuation route, there are many potential hazards along the way. I hope this has given you a useful insight into tsunami evacuation routes. Thanks for listening.